Okay guys, I have determined that I'm going camping because I've been in a funk recently and I really want to just get away from not only like all the distractions, TV, internet, social media, but just kind of like trying to ground myself manually again so I can actually just go and like sleep out in the woods. I haven't done that in a long time, but I feel like today, or at least tonight, is gonna be the night. So come along, let's go. We need to actually rush so we can beat the sunset, so let's get going. Okay, I'm trying to hurry so we can get there in time. But dude, I'm so late. Okay, we are here. This is where we're gonna set up. It's getting dark, so we gotta go quick. Okay guys, I ended up moving like the whole thing. It took 10 times longer than I thought, but yeah, I'm probably just gonna read and then go to sleep. But I'm gonna check in with you guys in the morning, so I'll see you then. Okay guys, we are completely in the tent. What's really cool about this is, I mean, obviously you can't see because like the light's on, but this whole tent is mesh. So even though it gives you the actual like comfort of being like confined into an actual space, when you look up you can see right through it. So in a second I'm gonna see if you can actually like see the stars, but they're so bright right now. I took some pictures earlier that showed like how gorgeous the sky was. But yeah, I mean, I feel like the main reason, can you hear the bugs? Like the bugs are like, they're loud, aren't they? I never believed that, but like when I'm actually out here, it's like I can barely hear myself think because they're so loud. But yeah, I feel like one of the main reasons why I came out here was like it's very hard to like kind of do a detox of like social media and all that stuff too. So when you come out here, it's like you have no other choice because there's like no service, and there's nothing else to do besides like read and just like think to yourself. So I brought my favorite book, The Mountain Is You. If you guys haven't read this, you have to read it. I'm like a little bit more than halfway, and like it's so good. It's so hard to put it down, but I feel like I never have time to actually read it. So I'm gonna read, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Oh my god, where's my bookmark? Oh, here we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna read, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the morning. Actually, hold on, let's turn off the light really quick. See, isn't this cool? There's like all these like little pockets. Like there's a pocket here. There's a pocket here. You can like hang stuff too if you want, and like the whole thing is like basically zippers. But let's turn my phone light off and see if you guys can see the stars, because they are so bright. I don't know if you can see them. I'm trying to see if you can see them. Let's turn the ice up all the way up and see. Okay, I really can't tell if you guys can see, but it's completely open in the top, and like the whole thing basically is completely open. So you can kind of see. I'll go here. I'm not gonna show you because I'm just wearing underwear, but put my shoes over here. All of my stuff is right here, and then this is where I'm like looking through and seeing all the stars. It's gorgeous. Okay, guys, good night. Guys, I ended up getting here way later than I expected last night, and I had to set this up in the dark. Can you imagine setting this type of tint up in the dark? I can't believe it's actually still hanging there. But I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of nice though. Like, depending on myself to actually set it up by myself. But yeah, I mean, it was pretty nice last night. Okay, I'm lying. It was so uncomfortable. I just wanted to make it seem like majestic for the video, but like, I did not sleep at all. Okay, I did, but it's like, you know when you sleep, but you're just like, so desperate at a point, like you have to fall asleep. Like, I kept waking up though. But in all, it wasn't that bad. This is a gorgeous place. Like, this is literally the first time I'm seeing it, because last night when I drove in, it was dark. Yeah, I don't know if you could see from the video, but like, I was actually like struggling finding a camp spot. I couldn't find one at the first place I went, and then I finally found this. But yeah, it was nice. I'm not gonna lie. Now I need to actually take down this mess, which I feel like it's gonna take a minute. So let's do that. The ratchets and everything are gonna be so hard. Okay guys, I think we're ready to go. I don't know what it is. Last night I felt like that tent was easy to put up, but even taking it down just took quite a bit of time. Yeah, but yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I'm about to head out. Camping experience, if I had to rate it, I'm gonna say a 7 out of 10. Honestly, because I wasn't expecting to actually have this gorgeous of a place, but sleeping last night was so bad that I know that I probably only got like 5 hours of sleep, which I feel like is worth it for a place like this. But in general, I feel like that wasn't really the point of being here. It was more about just kind of getting away, not having like service, not being on social media or my phone, which, you know, again, like, it was definitely nice. It was definitely needed. I'm definitely ready to get back to the city, because I actually have something to do in not even an hour, so it's gonna take me an hour to get home. So yep, yeah, I need to get going. What are you guys still doing here? The video is done. It's been done. We all know now I can't camp. Maybe I should not even gone camping at this point, because I don't even know what that did. And now I'm just trying to get back into the routine. So let me do me. I'm gonna see you guys later, okay? I'll see you in the next video now. Don't wait up.